the phonics class. In the previous class, we have learned 3-letter CVC words along with ed family. Today's video is about 3-letter CVC words along with egg family. If you are new to my channel, please refer my previous videos for better understanding. Children, we all know about CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. As I already told you, blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Alright, children, are you ready to blend some sounds together to make new words? Yes, very good. Here we go. Letter E. E makes the sound A. Letter G. G makes the sound G. Letter E and G together makes the sound egg. A, G, egg. Now we are going to learn words with egg sound. B, egg, beg, b, egg, beg, k, egg, keg, k, egg, keg, l, egg, leg, l, egg, leg, egg, meg, egg, meg, p, egg, beg, p, egg, beg. Children, now let's have a quick review. You all can read with me. Come, let's read. Beg, egg, leg, meg, peg. Children, keep practicing these words. Practicing is one of the most fun part of learning phonics. I hope you all have really enjoyed this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.